Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Khalid here featuring KIANA LEDÉ and the song called Voicemail. So, this one is all about this lick here. It's based upon three different chords: the G, the E minor, and the F sharp minor. But we will not care about the chords, the grips, only this melody that's going on here. So that's what I'm gonna give you right now. So let's start with this G-based melody here first. This one. And that is the fifth here on the D string. And I didn't mention that, but we don't need any capo for this one. So fifth on the D string. Then seventh on the G string. And seventh on the E string. Alright, then you quickly change to this grip here, still holding here the index finger on the fifth D. Now I'm gonna play the seventh on A, the fifth on D, and seventh on B. Okay, so far. And then you're gonna hit the fourth here on the D string together with the fifth on the E string. These two notes together. Okay, so just repeat. First chord here. That is the fifth on D, then seventh on G, and seventh on E. Then you quickly change to the seventh A, the fifth D, and seventh on B. And then you land on the fourth D together with the fifth E. Okay, so that's the first half of this lick. And then there's a small break there, pause. Then you shift to this grip. Sorry. That's where we are. So still here, fourth on the D string, then sixth on G string, and fifth on E. And then you go back to this E minor based grip we had before, which is the seventh on A, the fifth on D, and seventh on B. And then you're gonna land on the fifth D together with the seventh B. One extra touch there, and that is from the chord that you just played, okay? So just one extra like this. And that is actually this lick here, and it will be a little bit changes there, here and there in the song during this lick here when it goes, but this is the main part here of the song. And some notes differs from time to time during the song here, like I said, but stick to this one and that will make it great. So a cool song here from Khalid and KIANA LEDÉ, I believe it's pronounced like that, Voicemail. So good luck with this one and see you soon.